In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Wise. If you're using Wise to send, spend, or hold money, there's a simple way to earn a little extra through their in-app referral promotion. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to share it so your friends can benefit, and you can pick up rewards for spreading the word. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Everything we'll do happens inside the app on your phone, so keep it handy. Once you're in, look at the very top of the screen for a banner that says something like Earn 3,150 cents POs. The exact wording and amount can change based on your region and the current promotion, but it will clearly highlight the earning opportunity. Tap that banner to open the referral section. You'll land on a page that explains the offer and shows your unique referral link. This is the link that credits you when someone signs up through it and completes the requirements of the promotion. Read the short description on that page so you understand what qualifies, things like who is eligible, any time limits, and when rewards are credited can vary. Knowing the basics helps you set the right expectations when you share. From here, you have two simple ways to spread your link. If you want full control over what you say, tap the option to copy your link. That immediately puts the link on your clipboard. You can then paste it into a text message, an email, or a direct message. A helpful approach is to add a short note explaining why you like Wise, how your friend can benefit, and that it's your referral link so they know you may earn a reward. Keep it clear and friendly, and only share with people who are likely to find it useful. Alternatively, tap Share Wise. This opens your phone's share options so you can pick a contact or an app to send the referral with just a couple of taps. Some devices will include a pre-written message you can edit before sending. Again, transparency is key. Let people know it's a referral and avoid spamming groups or communities that prohibit promotional links. That's all there is to it. Open the Wise app, tap the earning banner at the top, then either copy your link and share it wherever you communicate, or use ShareWise for a quick send. Check the details in the referral section to understand qualification and timing, and share responsibly so everyone gets the best experience. Happy earning, and I'll see you in the next one.